Alam mo ba, lahat tayo ay ipokrito. Napapansin mo bang minsan, ibang sinasabi ng tao sa ginagawa nila? Or maybe, ikaw rin, ginagawa mo rin yun. May standards ka, pero minsan di mo rin nasusunod. It can feel confusing at kung minsan disappointing din. According to psychology, this doesn't automatically mean that people are fake or hypocrites. Ang tawag dito ay cognitive dissonance. Ito yung discomfort na nararamdaman natin kapag hindi aligned yung ginagawa natin sa ating beliefs. Instead of instantly changing behavior, the brain often reduces tension by creating justifications or reframing the situation. Studies suggest that our self-image and emotions play a big role in how we handle these inconsistencies. In simple terms, the brain prioritizes emotional stability over perfect consistency. Instead of immediately calling yourself or others hypocrites, try to approach the situation with more compassion. Ask yourself, is this inconsistency dahil dishonest ka? Or ikaw ay isang human na under stress? Kasi kung aware tayo, it allows room for growth without harsh criticism. After all, growth is rarely linear or perfect. This is Dina saying, inconsistency ay often tungkol sa inner conflict at hindi dahil bad character ka. For more guidance on self-awareness, emotional regulation and mindset patterns, click the link on my bio or visit dinasalonga.com.
Ask Dina.